اليوم في امستردام، لكن اللي بيحصل اليوم شيء ما توقعت ان انا اشوفه في حياتي.
Street food and cooking some good dish. My name is Amal from Yemen.
Really tasteful, like a mouthful of flavors.
It just reminded me of home. And one sip here just took me to my home. I was just that's
Happy to
it.
be
I don't think I can say anything else.
Yeah, really nice. Atmosphere is nice, the people are nice. Yeah, I'm really happy. What I liked is that she said that food connects, and I think it's really important now to connect with each other. And I like food, so it's the best way, I think.